So I was getting this error environment variable not found in Next.js project, and from the error message you can clearly see that the given variable is not available. But in my case that variable was available and still it was throwing this error. So what I did is that my variable was in this file .env.local. So what I did is that I use this .env file instead of .env.local and put that variable in this file .env file, and then restarted this Next.js server, and then it started working. So make sure that your file is .env instead of .env.local, and I was in Windows operating system. Maybe something to do with Windows operating system. Thanks for watching.